So theta 1 equal theta, theta 2 equal 90 minus theta. So now substituting these equations here. First one, we take h1. h1 equal what? u1. u1 square, u1 means u only. u square is sine square theta by 2g. h2 equal to actual formula u2 square sine square theta 2 by 2g equal to u square u1 due to u all same speed here. Sine square d theta d is 90 minus theta by 2g equal to sine 90 minus theta. We know that is cos theta. So this is we got here. Here we have h1 h2. By seeing the options A, B, C, D, the answer in terms of product of maximum x. That's why we should take here product also. Okay, that is h1 into h2. And we want to make the answer in the terms of range. Range formula well known to you. Range formula what? R equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. This is well known to you. Okay, range formula R equal to, R is the range. U is the speed, theta angular projection here. So here now we take product. Product here what? Product here u square sine square theta by 2g into h2 value u square cos square theta by 2g. Now this product I have to make in the form of the formula range formula. See here. So range formula, that formula here. Here we have u square 2 are there here. And sin theta, well know that sin formula well know to you. That is, tell me, sin theta equal what here? 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, this formula here. So here is sin theta cos theta here. Okay, I will take here 16 by 16. No change here. So again here what here? U square sin square theta by 2g into u square cos square theta by 2g. Okay, yes friends, the product is this h1 into h2. Okay, next step here. See here, I will write here h1 into h2 equal to, I write this as you are here. So 4 u square sine square theta, again 4 u square cos square theta by here again 16 into 2g into 2g. Clear? Same as this. 4 again 16. No change here. So again, why I wrote this here? To make the formula in terms of range here. So you write again here 4 u square here. This we write here sin square theta, sin theta into sin theta. This is also again 4 u square cos theta into cos theta by again here 16 into 2g into 2g. Okay. So now again I write this as what here. So I will write here this is what here. U square here sin theta cos theta. This is I write here 4 u square 1 sin theta, again 1 cos theta this side here. Again 4 u square 1 side here sin theta again into cos theta by 16 into again 2g into 2g. Okay, now by seeing this one, now formula this is formula here. I signed the formula. Okay, so here I write here. Here we write here u square sin y cos. So I write this as here 2 into u square 2 sin theta cos theta. This also 2 into u square 2 sin theta into cos theta by again 16 into 2g into 2g. Okay, this is good. Next step again, this is only the product only, this is only h1 into h2. Okay. Again next see here. h1 into h2 equal to here what here? Here this is when you write here what? This formula sin 2 theta. So 2 into u square sin 2 theta. Again 2 into u square sin 2 theta by 16 into here 2g into 2g. Okay. So I will write again here. So now we write this is what here. So this is 2 by 16. This one you write here. Here 2 also there. Equal to u square sin 2 theta by 2g into u square sin 2 theta by 2g. Okay. So this is nothing but here 2 is a 4 here. 4 by 16 into this is what here r. Now I told r formula. R into this also R. This R equal formula. What is R equal formula? U square sin 2 theta by g. Okay. That's why I wrote this formula. But here, oh, it's here. Either this is now we take here 2 here. That is 16 into 2 into 2. Now clear. This is all same. 16 into 2 into 2. Okay. So cancel 2 to the cancel here. So here what here we got r square by 16. What is here? h1 into h2. So r square equal we write here 16 into h1 into. This is very very important relation my students here. This remember this one enough. Memory बहुत important here. That's all here. We got r square equal to 16 h1 into 16 h1 into h2. So what we got here? R square equal to 16 into h1 into h2. This important relation. We write r equal to under root of 16 h1 into h2. R equal to 4 under root h1 into h2. Check the options. Option B correct here. So this is our required formula. So option B is correct. Okay, this is my students here. But here in the examination it will take so much time here. But that's why memory power important here. You should remember formulas here. You should remember all formulae in the case of complementary angles. I will explain that also. Directly you can remember that all. Formula, if you remember, you can easily score within very less time. It will take more time. In the examination, if you solve this one, it will take so much time here. That's why that is not correct way. Okay. So by students here, this is the explanation of the problem depending upon the orbital question. Okay. So continuously watch my videos and improve your knowledge, and don't waste time. Prepare well, practice well. Okay. Right, students.